Hello friends, today I am talking about the adverse effect of the Maida flour. Apart from the Maida flour, parotta, puri and samosa are also made and also used to make pizza, burger, momos and some types of biscuits. Too much of these tasty foods are very bad for our health. First of all, we know how is Maida made. Although Maida is made from the wheat, the process of making it is very different. When making wheat flour, the bran of top of the wheat is not removed. This provides the most important fiber to our body. However, the fiber is completely removed during the preparation of Maida flour. In the absence of fiber with eating, it is start to stick in the gut. This can cause constipation and indigestion. All the proteins and fibers in the flour are destroyed. Due to this action, it is act as an acid. As it absorbs calcium from the bones and it weakens the bones. Maida contains high level of starch which leads to the obesity and increase the bad cholesterol in the blood. Eating maida quickly raises the blood sugar level. It creates the chemical reactions in the body and increases the risk of developing arthritis and heart disease. Thank you.